guys, welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, a warm welcome to you. I hope you stay, I hope you subscribe, I hope you become part of the family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning. I truly appreciate you. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Hi guys, it's later on in the day. I tried to do an intro in the morning and I ran out of space as per usual. I think that's the main reason why people buy cameras, because of you can't really depend on the space, a phone, you know. So yeah, I'll see when I edit where I ended in the morning. I didn't get a chance. Lunchtime I was just working, so I'm heading over to the shops now to get something to eat for later, and then I'll come by and close up the vlog, because this is just going to be a one-day vlog, because this vlog needs to be up tomorrow. Yeah, let's chat later. Hi guys, I'm home. Change of plan. I didn't go to the shops, so I'm just gonna order 360 because I'm just lazy to drive to Checkers. Yeah, I'll order. And also I wanted to see what do I need exactly, instead of just going to the shop to buy one thing and then only to find the next day that, oh, I missed something. So I'm just gonna quickly order that and then start cooking, and then I'll come by and close off the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please do not skip the ads. Please don't forget to share. Please don't forget to like. Yeah, we'll catch up later. I know my pot is small, guys, so I'm gonna boil these until they're slightly soft and then put them in the oven. I saw this on I think on Instagram. So I'm trying a different way to serve potatoes. So I'm just gonna boil these and then we're gonna have it with steak and the squash.
When on praying things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. When will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? Things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. They say keep on praying. Things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. And when will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? When will tomorrow? No. When will it come? Yeah. Will it stop hurting so much? So much? No. When will it come?
Hi guys, we have come to the end of the day. We have come to the end of the vlog. Thank you so much if you've been watching till the end. I truly appreciate you. If you are still not subscribed, please do subscribe. Please don't forget to like, comment and share the video with family and friends. Like I said guys, this was only a one-day vlog because this vlog needs to be up tomorrow, but it's not going to be up as per the normal time in the morning because I still need to edit. I think it will only be up later on, later on in the day after work or so. Hope you guys are fabulous. Let's catch up on the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. You are appreciated. Thank you.